Have you ever seen this error while you are using Unity? I'm guessing that's why you are watching this, and today I will explain how we can fix this error. Basically, this error is related to the version control package in Unity. So to fix this, go under Window, Package Manager, click on version control and update it to the latest version. It will take few minutes. Once you update it, clear the console and press the play button to see if there is any error. So this was how you can fix the version control error in Unity. If you want to see more content on this channel, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.